Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add your face in Sora 2 videos. So for here, the problem that you can face in adding yourself is that Sora currently do not support uploads of images containing photorealistic people. So for here, we need first to do some steps so that Sora can accept your photo to add in to a video. So here, first I'm going to just save this image of some random man to show you how. Now, if you have your photo, what we need to do is go to Gemini and here, upload files or upload the photo that you want to use. Now, I have here a prompt that we will use for this photo. So just go and copy it, then paste it to Gemini and go ahead and submit your prompt. Now as you can see, you now have a realistic painting with that image. So just go ahead and save that. Once you have saved it, you can now go to Sora and then upload this or like make a video out of it. So here in Sora, go and upload the photo you got from Gemini. Then type in a prompt for it, the one that you want for your video. And after that, just go and submit it to Sora. Now, once you've done that, Sora will then accept the photo you just uploaded and make a video out of the prompt that you just submitted. And that's just basically it. That's how you add your face in Sora 2 videos. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.